Hello artists! Today I'm going to show you how to mix the color curry, which is one of the colors that is needed for the September palette of the Karin Markers color contest. So here we go. Curry is a kind of muted green khaki color with yellowish brownish undertones. The good thing is, in order to mix it, we can use the other two colors we need anyway for this month, orange, red and gold. As a base I use grass green because it's part of even the basic Karin color set, so most people will have it, and because I noticed that a lot of people used it when they didn't know what else to do. There are two ways to mix it. You can either mix it on a palette, or in my case a piece of plastic, with 2 parts of green for 1 part of gold and 1 part of orange red. The second method is mixing it right on the paper, as I do now, using all 3 colors and then blend them together and layer them. Have fun making art and good luck with the contest. Bye bye!